Many people have gone further than they imagined they could because somebody else believed in them. I spoke on it in another video. The real you is important on your self-improvement journey. And a lot of this is about finding the real you and moving with whatever makes that part of you up, not the bullshit that you show everybody else to save face in public. The first thing I want to speak on, you need to start giving yourself more credit. You are an exceptional person. And if you don't believe that, bro, you are literally one of one. There is nobody with your same genetic makeup, same biological features. You are one of one. Give yourself more credit. And once you do that, you'll start to understand that your path in life really is tailor-made for you. Wherever you're supposed to be going, wherever God is calling you to go, that journey is yours and yours alone. So give yourself more credit. You're already special without any of the accomplishments that you are going to get on your journey. With this understanding, you'll really be able to wrap your head around the fact that nobody can be a better you because there is only one you. It's your journey. What you're going to get done is going to be special to and for you. Like I spoke on another video, fuck if anybody else doesn't understand your mission in life. It's not for them to understand. It's for them to see and one day celebrate with you. Does that make sense? With all of this, therein is going to lie your confidence. So anything that you've been through in life where, you know what I'm saying, you were told you weren't good enough, any of that bullshit, bro, put it out of your fucking head. Put it out of your memory. That shit doesn't exist. What I just spoke on, therein lies your confidence, bro. Even if you haven't found any of the skills that are going to make you great, you have to understand that even though we aren't the same people, we do live similar lives. Struggle is universal. What isn't universal is contemplation about it. And what do I mean by that? Everybody goes through the same ups and downs of life. You know what I mean? Whenever you're graduating high school, you get your sense of agency and you're in college, or whether you just go straight to work, you're paying bills and stuff like that, or you're in school and you're learning how to study correctly because you're working towards a degree, all of it. Many people have walked that path before you, no matter which one you choose. The thing is that most people are not present enough on their journey to be able to teach somebody else how to maneuver it correctly, how to avoid the same pitfalls that they did. And this is where you come in. On your journey, you need to be contemplating the ups and downs. You have to, because at some point along your journey, you're going to have the story to tell. And the story can't be a fake one. It has to be the one that you are. It's the best story you can tell. The greatest movie you'll ever watch is your own. So you need to pay attention to it. Once you've gotten to a place where you can honestly be present in every moment of your waking life, reach one, teach one. If somebody sees that you are adept at a specific skill set, you need to be able to teach them from start to finish how to do it the same way. Because if they're showing an interest in it, chances are they're probably meant to be doing it as well. The thing about it is they don't need to go through all the same pitfalls as you did because you know better now, or at the point they feel confident in your skill set to ask you about how to do things, you will know what to tell them to do. So pay attention to what you're doing along your path. In my earliest videos, I spoke about tribalism a lot. On your self-improvement journey, this is one of the big things that you're going to be doing is building your tribe around yourself. You're going to be building a network of people that you can call on that can either help you out with anything that you need or just give you pick-me-ups whenever you need those as well. Because every day isn't going to be easy. Every day isn't the same. There's going to be good days and bad fucking days. I can promise you that. And on your self-improvement journey, building your tribe is what is going to remedy a lot of those bad days. when you wake up and you don't feel like doing any of the work that you're supposed to. Your soldiers are out there. The people who are interested in the same things that you are waiting for a leader to show them what right looks like. So an example of that, say somebody likes to paint. Painting, artistry, in all of its forms, bro. Artistry, period. It's something that a lot of people have talent for. They do not know how to monetize it. They don't know how to turn it into a lifestyle for themselves. And if you were to take your hobby, say you like to paint, I don't know who I'm talking to right now, but a painter, say you're very adept at painting. It's important for you to figure out how to monetize that and turn it into a lifestyle, because some young kid, be it your next door neighbor, be it somebody across the fucking world, they're wanting to do the same thing that you're doing. They just don't know who to talk about it with. And it's one thing for, you know what I'm saying, like I am on YouTube, I'm just a dude on a screen. You gain enough clout, you get big enough, you build a name for yourself, you will become far more credible than any Joe Schmo just on the internet teaching people how to paint or teaching people how to monetize their skill set. Does that make sense? So therein lies your tribe, the people who are interested in the same things that you are and are having the same issues that you are. One of y'all has to become great so they can teach the other one how to do the same thing. All of that to say this: those days where shit doesn't go your way, or those weeks where you just get punched in the face for 7 days straight, those seasons where it seems like nothing is going right for you, bruh, there is somebody who is in the exact same boat as you. And I'm going to be honest, the only thing that can turn both of your stories around is one of you deciding to be the person that they needed. Be the person that you needed. Be the person that you needed when you were a kid and you didn't have confidence in yourself. Be the person that you needed when you went through your first fucking heartbreak or whatever. Be the person that you needed when you fell on your face and went broke. All of that is important. And if you were to live life with this approach, I guarantee you'll get exactly where you want to go, and you'll find yourself surrounded by people who you can genuinely say are on your team. Keep that. This is all just some more cold game, some free game that you're going to be needing on your self-improvement journey. Hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, on your self-improvement journey, keep your chin up, your chest out, and always keep it pushing.